West Karbi Anglong botat lang so ser dihuna klamalong kedam tang matijong ni paingkora nerkepen thomkep an nini apharman katalon padopon. Bangso nini katalon ahut ke chengarni rong ke tong pensi pangcheng ponlo. Bangso phi ke LJA mate Karbi locharli jutanga terang alama meipu sinjati so pensi lama inthurpon. Bangso katalona mealong anarlo por phai krehinia pormalam radame pialong alhisar po manpen Assam Legislative Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momin ka chetongdun along Karbi richo long singrong hangpen danglo kapre ke theke dingatum chetongdun rinki. Bangso hut aluhisar po Dr. Numal Momin pen kaning jepona tenke Dipu Polytechnic apharman jongsi local MEC mate bidesing Ingdeng nang pangchinga sonte nihin penta un anpen Assam CM aphan nang chingki pijia potlo bonta nonke local MLA thangnat nang ke pangchinga ve pulote neko sonsi nang ke bor ipidun thekpo pusi Dr. Momin pen ning jepon
Polytechnic.
We have around 180.
The new building construction completed.
Yeah. Yes. Green building.
How many departments you have?
Only one. Civil.
How many students?
Yeah.
No.
If possible.
How many students?
We have around 180, sir.
If your local MLA pursue, then we can help you. Yes. But if your local MLA don't pursue, then how can? जो भी हो, उसको बोलिए कि उसको लिखने के लिए तो वहाँ पे हम भी सिग्नेचर को बोल देगा और दूसरा बैंक भी खुलने के ओके
Labangso mealong aluhisar po Dr. Numal Momin lapen Karbi richo longsingrong hangatum ahin pen jumesen jutang kaching hon alamo than ponsi mei mesen pen pajut pon
Karbi cultural competition আজি ইয়াত হৈ আছে আমাৰ বৈঠাল লাংছো and I am very happy to be the part of this program. I'm really thankful to Mr. Likshan who invited me, and I feel proud to interact with the students and deliver a few words, whether it will help to the students or not. But I really enjoyed the program, and they organized it in such a beautiful way that every students are feeling very happy. And this the showcase of our Karbi culture. If students get sensitized, so they will in future uphold the culture of Karbi community. That way, this our own culture, our own community will survive. The Assam government already initiated and started one new department, that indigenous people and trade and culture. So that will promote such kind of activities. And I believe that beautiful Karbi Anglong has got beautiful culture, beautiful heritage, and this 8 Karbi Anglong Karbi cultural competition will promote and strengthen the unity and the integrity among the Karbi people and give a dimension to the Karbi culture.
News report KTV News.